In front of me is OPPO Pad 5, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password in Google Passwords Manager. Open Settings and scroll to tap on Google. Now select All Services. Scroll again and this time select Autofill with Google. Now choose Google Password Manager. Click on any password you wanna check and enter your screen lock. Then click on this eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye.